Fresh Faces. Today's video is all about making an organic homemade cough syrup which can be given to toddlers, kids and adults. Please don't offer this syrup for babies less than 8 months. The first ingredient I am using is ginger, the second ingredient is garlic and the last one is honey. The medicinal properties of ginger includes anti-inflammatory and antibacterial antiviral properties. It restrains the growth of many types of oral bacteria. It boosts the immunity system to a greater extent. The second ingredient, garlic, is one of the most widely used medicinal plants. It boosts the immune system and helps to treat cough as a natural antibiotic. The last ingredient, honey, is anti-inflammatory in nature and eliminates allergies and strengthens the digestive and immune system. It is a natural cough suppressant. It soothes sore throat. Since it is loaded with antioxidants, it is one of the best natural agents to prevent cough and cold. So take all the three ingredients, ginger, garlic and honey. Now peel the skin of ginger and garlic. Then crush the ginger and garlic to extract the fresh juice from it. After squeezing the juice, add organic honey to it. Please don't add any sort of water into this mixture. Now mix it thoroughly. So the natural Ayurvedic homemade cough syrup is ready. You can refrigerate the syrup for maximum 2 days. So all parents watching this video, I hope it will be very helpful for you to make this effective homemade remedy at home and give to your children when they are down with cold and cough. This syrup is highly effective and increases immunity. It is better to give this syrup in initial stages of cough and cold. Even adults can use this. Children will like to take because of the sweetness of honey. This will reduce the severity of cold to a greater extent. Now I'll tell you the dosage to give depending upon your age. For toddlers, that is between 1 to 3, age between 1 to 3, 2.5 milli or 1 small spoon 2 times a day. For kids above 3 years and up, 5 milli or 2 small spoon 2 times a day. For adults, can use 3 to 4 times a day. That's all for today's videos, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.